It's Ms. Todoric. I think every teacher should apply for this Pets in the Classroom grant. It's absolutely amazing. It's an easy application. There's just a lot of low maintenance pets that you can select from, and it brings just a lot of excitement, happiness, engagement, no matter, even if you aren't like a science teacher, you could be in math, social studies. I'm actually a computer business teacher, and for me, I've always applied for this in different various schools that I've taught, and the kids love it. So take a look, check out their website, do the grant process right here. And like I said, there's different pets that you can select from. Here is the video of Spike, our bearded dragon, and hope you guys have fun. Thanks.